Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we're reviewing the 2020 Kia Stinger GT2. This is the top of the line and this is Kia's flagship vehicle. It is a performance luxury sedan. While the wind's not blowing right now, I do apologize for some XX wind noise. The winds are up to like 20 miles an hour today. Take a quick walk around and go inside. Love the Stinger badging. This one's all-wheel drive, fitted with the all-season tires. Okay, we're going in. Nice copper bronze finish. Whoo-wee, it's chilly out there today. Interior is absolutely beautiful. I love the Stinger. I actually almost bought one. Everything is really nice to the touch. The sticker price on this one is $54,600. And as I said, this is top of the line. Ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. You name it, it has it. Great center console and a ton of rear seat room. Enough with the talking, we'll go ahead and go for a drive. I'm gonna take it on the highway as well as some back roads so you can get a feel of what it's like to drive. To put it in gear, the GT2 has a electronic shifter. You push the button on the side, pull down for drive. You want reverse, pop it up all the way forward, and then for park, you just press the park button. You also have a bunch of different drive modes. I'm keeping it in sport, but you have custom, comfort, eco, and smart, which detects what mode you should be in. When you put it in sport, the bolsters on the side of the seat increase. Very, very nice. This has a twin turbo V6 under the hood with a great sound. Steering wheel feels great in your hands and you have nice paddles behind to engage manual mode. It's a very, very throaty sound. I really like it. Gets up to speed nicely. This has 365 horsepower, so plenty of power for what an average person needs. And it makes this car a lot of fun. Eight-speed automatic is the only transmission available in the Stinger. I have no complaints with the transmission. Shifts nice and smooth. I really can't complain at all about it. Paddles are very nice and responsive. The sound almost reminds me of a Maserati Ghibli. That's kind of the sound that I'm hearing, which makes sense because the Ghibli is also a V6. However, the Ghibli's a $100,000 car. Should it be? I don't believe so. This car is priced very well at $54,000. This has the interior feel of an Audi A7, Mercedes CLS, and those are high five-figure cars, getting into six-figure. So the fact that this car is available for that price is absolutely amazing. And if 54 is too high for you, they have a 2.0 liter four-cylinder version that you can get for, I believe, right under 40 or low 40s. So you can it's definitely very affordable. And we're also running some great lease specials too on that 2.0 liter. With some money down, you can get it for $299 a month for a lease, which is really, really good. Of course, we have the Kia Life, or 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So if anything were to go wrong, it's covered. Put it down into automatic mode. When you come to a stop in manual mode, it will automatically revert to drive. However, if you want to go back into manual mode, you just pull the downshift paddle and it puts it into first gear again for you. You also, I don't know if it comes across on camera, but you have a heads-up display that displays your speed right in your driver's point of view, and I believe it is adjustable as well. So if you want it set lower, set higher, you can adjust that. What's funny is after just driving the Porsche Panamera, the previous generation, this feels very similar to it. For a lot less money, to be frankly honest. New for new, that is. Now this car has the all-season tire package, which limits the top speed to 149, whereas the summer tires, there's no limiter. But for New England, the all-seasons are the one you want to get just because of the snow, and the summer tires tend not to be too good around or under 40 degrees. They tend to turn into rocks. And let's be completely honest, I don't foresee anybody needing to go past 149 on any public road ever, except maybe the Autobahn. But still, that's... So all seasons are the way I would personally go. If you live in California or somewhere where there is no cold climate, you can of course go for the summer tire package. Overall, I love the feel of this car. I honestly don't have any complaints with it. And then something that I can't test just because this car is in break-in is the launch control. This does feature launch control, of course, which just propels this rocket ship because of the all-wheel drive. I believe you can get them rear-wheel drive, and all-wheel drive is an option, but as stated before, I would go with all-wheel drive. Overall, I am thoroughly impressed with this car. The fact that I personally almost bought one is testament to that as well. I have no complaints with it. Reliability is going to be excellent in the long run. You have all the power and torque you would ever want or need. This is a bargain, honestly. And the fact that you can get a GT for sub 50K, I think this might be the best performance sedan under $50,000 on the market today. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for future content and reviews, and have a great day.